It was eye-opening. It was almost like London 2 years ago, the prices. You can get duplexes under 200,000 and they're turnkey.
What's going on, you guys? Matt McKeever here, waving my arms wildly so Peter can get some thumbnails, because that's important. So Peter needs to be getting those thumbnails.
John Evans from London, Ontario. Been following Matt and Jeff there for a while. Finally got the chance to come out here and this great experience. As they say, your network is your net worth. Come out, meet people, network, and see properties and buy properties while you're at it.
Hi there guys, my name is Noel Sundal. Just want to say this is my first time out on the limo tour. It was awesome. Matt and Jeff, they really know what they're doing, and they get the people that can help you in these areas, especially in Windsor, and it's not just London. Thank you very much, Matt and Jeff.
My name's Lee. I'm from Toronto, Scarborough. Visit down in Windsor, and I really like Windsor. It's a beautiful area, and this is the best limo tour I've been on.
Hey guys, my name is Tamara. I'm a realtor from Toronto, and I met Matt and Jeff through their YouTube channel, and I'm so happy I did, because they've opened my eyes to a whole new world of investment, real estate, and yeah, I'm enjoying the journey so far.
Hi, my name Megumi Suzuki. I'm an investor from Kitchener. I've been always interested in Windsor, and today I'm glad I got this opportunity to visit the city with a group of people who are like-minded. Thank you.
Hey guys, Windsor was great. We're just wrapping up the tour now. It was eye-opening. It was almost like London 2 years ago, the prices. You can get duplexes under 200,000 and they're turnkey, good rental income. It was a blast. I really enjoyed it. I used to live here a long time ago, about 10 years ago. It's changed for the better. Especially the unemployment rate is something to take a look at. When I was here, it was about 9%. Now it's down to about 5%. So there's jobs. That means that there's going to be good rental income around here, and there's going to be great investment properties going forward, and it's appreciating. So come out to Windsor. It seems like a good investment. We're going to enjoy the rest of the tour here, and thanks for checking in. Can we buy the lot?
I don't know, actually.
Yeah, the lot looks better.
Yeah.
No. I don't mean it bad.
Yeah. Oh no, yeah. So this house actually caught on fire like 3 or 4 years ago, and so the person who bought it and is renovating it right now does that with a lot of properties here in Windsor. So we know him and we know his agent, and he kind of gave us first access to this property before it did get listed on the market. At the time, they were going to spend the money to do the basement unit, and so we got it under contract for $420 to do all 5 units. Now they're no longer doing the basement unit, so they're asking $400. Again, I know we could probably get a much better deal than that.
For the contractor?
What's that?
For a contract? Or for the sale?
For the sale of the property. So we still have that one. We're going back and forth right now on whether or not they're going to finish the basement. Personally, I think it is better as just a 4-unit building. So yeah, we just wanted to kind of show you one that's on the MLS, to show you about the price point and to show you kind of what a new build looks like from the inside. So I believe the contractor should be here momentarily to let us in, but you can see that there's a garage back there. They just put on that door. We asked, it's not an extra unit, it's just a random door. They're gonna put some coin operated laundry machines in the basement, and that'll be accessible for all the tenants there. And again, they're charging, I believe, on the market, $399 for this brand new unit, top to bottom, for that.
And so compare rents for us between Walkerville and Ford.
Yeah, so it's definitely a lot lower in Ford. Not a crazy amount, but where a brand new 2-bedroom unit over there would go for 11 to 12, here you're probably looking at 900 to maybe 1,000. So all the utilities will be split, and you know, it would still cash flow really well. But this is more of a B kind of neighborhood, especially being closer to the river. We're a little bit away from the river. After this, we're gonna go see 2 duplexes that are even further along in a nicer location. But this is kind of like the transition zone right now. It's where it's turning around. That's why you can still get kind of brand new units for 100,000, where most of the city you can't really do that. But
and what are the comparables in the neighborhood like compared to this one?
Yeah, so 4plexes in the neighborhood are selling anywhere from like 300 on the very low end, needs a lot of work, to, you know, brand new 4plexes are selling for about 700. So it's you know, kind of somewhere in the middle.
But you don't find new 4plexes in this neighborhood.
No.
So to find like a comparable for a new 4plex, I was looking, there isn't one, because there hasn't been anything new built around here in a long time. So I mean, it's not brand new from the bones, but everything else.
Yeah, it'd be a solid rental. We've got connections to a really good property manager in the area, so he could just manage it out, and pretty hands off. It's Robin with Apex Properties, and if you tell him that Matt referred you, you'll get a deal.
I don't have any properties right now, they all don't. But soon.
Yeah.
And this wasn't one of them.
No, this is not one of them.
Oh, but was it in this neighborhood?
No, it's